I'm Charmin Rockwell with Rockwell Results. I help organizations shift them from have-to workplaces to want-to workplaces, so their employees actually want to show up to work. And I also help organizations do career planning in the workplace. I love technology. I use technology on my phone. Just using a smartphone, I use an app called AnyDo. So it's just an app that helps me keep track of lists and then sends you reminders or motivation to complete your tasks and check them off. I use my email program and syncing my calendar so that I have reminders. I like to get notifications when something important comes on my phone, and we use technology in the house as well. I like the Outlook calendar, but I do have Google Calendar, but I like to sync it to my Outlook. With my computer, I have a docking station. I use a laptop, and then I have 2 monitors. And then when I use my computer, I use a program called Toggle to keep track of where I'm spending my time so that I'm conscious of how much time I'm spending on each of my projects. I use the Microsoft Office programs. I tend to stick to like Word, PowerPoint, just the regular ones, Excel. Those are ones when I'm doing presentations. I've been utilizing PowerPoint. I think as a professional that does speaking, utilizing technology to make sure I'm reaching a broader audience. So whether that's using more video, that's something I'm learning and I'm excited about. So that probably is something that I'm looking forward to. And then just trying to keep up with not being overwhelmed. Okay. So not being overwhelmed with making sure I'm on all social media. So right now I just focus on I'm on Facebook and LinkedIn. I like LinkedIn the most for business community, and not worrying about if I'm on absolutely everything. And how do I just get good maybe at a few and not trying to do everything. Something that I'd like to learn more about is the program, not just using PowerPoint, but more creative and innovative ways to do presentations. Kids and technology, I think it can be great. I tried not to be stressed out when I'd read, your tablet's like cocaine for your toddler or something like that, because that is stressful as a parent. But given sometimes our busy schedules and my children's love for technology, I try not to beat myself up when they're utilizing the iPads. And so what we try to do is have games that are more educational, so like puzzles or no YouTube, because unfortunately my daughter really likes that, and I find that she could be addicted to that. So games that are going to encourage number recognition, reading, letter recognition, stories, puzzles, figuring things out, those types of things that are going to help them with hopefully educational development, not just mind-numbing, and no games that have violence or things that aren't age appropriate, I guess. I think technology is a wonderful thing, but it's also how do you balance? So how do you still have face-to-face interaction, get outside, have a life that's beyond your smartphone? Because sometimes I think for myself, I tend to get caught in using my phone all the time, so making sure that you monitor it so that you're not at its beck and call, I guess is what I'm trying to say.